YouTube. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is not a full review, as you can see, but it's an unboxing. I mean, this is a review channel, so we're gonna do a review, but it's definitely unboxing. And you guys can see and look at this box. You might know what this is. If not, stay tuned. First off, the box design is dope. It's just dope that the box is labeled the way it is, man. Cooking with Cheetos. It's a dope box. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This box is dope. Anyway, let's get right into it, man. So, when I found out about this, I was late, man. I didn't even know this existed. I did not know this was even a thing. Of course, me being a food channel, a food reviewer, you know, like to eat, like to try new things, like to try different things, different concoctions and things of that nature. I had to get this. Like I had to get this. Originally came from Amazon, but I ended up copying it off of eBay. I paid probably like, I think it retailed for like 25 or 30. I want to say 25 or 30 dollars. I only paid 47, so I paid I paid like 20 bucks over retail for it, but it's okay. Cause I see it going on eBay for like, people want like at least 60 up to 100 bucks for it, but I wasn't really gonna do all that. So dude made a deal. Like I literally bought this on eBay on a Thursday and it's Saturday, so this came really quick. You would think it really did come from Amazon, but it's basically an Amazon purchase through eBay. So, oof. Oh man, I can't wait to get into this, man. I can't wait for this one. I can let y'all see this, man. Oh man, there you go. There you go. Yes, sir, man. We got the Cheetos duster. Yes, we got the Cheetos duster, man. Y'all can see right here. Little paper right there. I'm just go ahead and read this so y'all can see. Dust, yeah, right there. Got chest of Cheetos right there. I should have bought my Cheeto Funko Pop. I should have bought my Cheeto Funko Pop in the video, but it is what it is. I ain't worried about that. I'm gonna read this. Wow. You're now the proud owner of your very own Cheetos duster. Use the included Cheetos snack packets to start turning Cheetos into delicious Cheeto to put on your favorite recipes. Scan QR code for Cheetos recipe inspirations. Now it didn't come with any Cheetos, obviously. With what it is. Of course, it didn't come with any Cheetos. Sold separately, so of course I gotta go to the store and buy some Cheetos. But anyway, this right here is the Cheetos duster, man. Turns Cheetos into delicious dust. This is so crazy, bro. This is dope, man. This is so freaking dope, bro. It's hard, bro. Look at Cheetos on the side. Chest of Cheetos on the side. They got the instructions, how to use it. The instructions for the use of it. Of course, in the back, you got a couple of these, a couple of food items and recipes and things of that nature. Y'all can see. Then on the bottom of it, man, everything tastes better covered in Cheetos. Y'all can see. Let's open it up, man. Let's actually look at it. Let's actually look at the Cheetos duster. Got a little cap right there. Okay, got the little cap right there. It's the little cord to go with it. Look at the actual Cheeto duster itself. Gonna take it out. Oh, this thing clean, man. Look at this. Here we go, the Cheeto duster, man. I want y'all to see it. I want y'all to really see it. Here goes the Cheeto duster. It's like glass right there. Y'all can see Cheetos duster. It's not that big, but I mean, say warning, dangerous cheese right there. This is, yo, this is dope. This is dope, man. This is so cold. This is so cold, bro. Twist it off right there. This is hard. This is so hard, bro. The button right there. The Cheetos duster, man. This the I want to say, oh, okay, I see. I was trying to figure out what this was. This is the bottle. This the cap. This the cap. This the cap they go on this for the. Yeah, okay, I see. I see what's going on. I see what's going on. This, I guess, it's the cord. This little USB cord go with it, so. Something outside. I don't know if I could truck something outside. I don't know, but this is dope, man. This is dope. I'm glad that I'm just glad to have this. It's something. It just, just something just a little, something different. Something. I don't know, man. It's crazy, but it's like I like it. I like it a lot. So, Cheeto duster, man. Shouts out to Cheetos. Shouts out to y'all for making this, man. This is something crazy, but it's something creative also. I like Cheetos. Mostly Flamin' Hot Cheetos, my personal preference. But I definitely will be using this and we'll be testing this out on the channel. I will be having recipes, things of that nature. So, yeah. Cheeto duster, man. Y'all stay locked and loaded. Y'all stay on the lookout for videos with this. I will be doing, I actually be doing a real review on this. This right here is just the unboxing. So, to show y'all what it looks like. But this is probably the first unboxing on YouTube with the Cheeto duster. I'm probably the first person to do this. So, let's at least get 50 likes on this video. Can we at least get about 50 likes? At least something like that. 50, let me at least 100. Let me get 100 likes, man. Let me get 100 likes. I got like 1,000 subscribers now. I need 100 likes, bro. If I can get 100 likes, I will do a video doing a review on this, like actually with the Cheetos in it and doing the, putting it on some food or whatever. I'll do a real review on this, like a real review. This is the unboxing video, so I will do a review on this official one. So yeah, y'all give me 100, man. Give me 100 likes, man. Give me 100 likes on this, and I'll get to it. Anyway, man, this is the Cheeto duster from Cheetos. Shout out to Cheetos, man. It's real creative. Anyway, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching my videos. Next time, guys, we out, man. We out. That's all I can say, man. We out. So.